Hey everyone, it's Irvin here, aka Team with Irvin. Welcome to another week. Today it is July 4, 2020. We are celebrating the 4th of July here in USA. So make sure that if you have not subscribed to our channel, please do so by hitting that bell notification below so you will know when we are posting brand new videos. And remember, today, July 4, I'm gonna be giving you only the pre-week. So if you want to see the full analysis that is coming tomorrow, Sunday, make sure you hit the bell notification. Other than that, you will be out of luck. All right, so let me go ahead and give you the disclaimer that I think is very, very important for you guys to know, because I'm not your financial advisor, first of all. But let me go ahead and give it to you guys. Again, this is Team with Irvin, and Team with Irvin is not your financial advisor. I'm only another fellow trader looking to squeeze hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of pips. So if you have money and you cannot afford losing the money, just don't trade it. Forex is a very risky business. So if you're looking for a financial advisor, go look for somewhere else, because you are not gonna find it in this channel, neither in our group. All right, so I just wanted to make sure I cleared that up so we all are in the same page. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and start, guys. Like I said, we are gonna be analyzing the week of July 6th to the 10th, July 2020. So we are gonna be trading with our new Simplicity system, Simplicity Super Easy, Simplicity Triple Arrow, Simplicity with Team with Irvin, and Simplicity in Forex. Overall, this is Team with Irvin. So analysis, and hopefully you are gonna be finding value out of this video. So again, once again, go ahead and hit the bell notification if you want to get more item for tomorrow. Okay, so let's go ahead and start working. So everything, I can give you whatever it is. So we're gonna go ahead and start, guys, with AUD Canadian dollar. The only thing that I'm removing, guys, is I'm removing the half zone, because I believe I am the half zone when I come and do my analysis. Remember, guys, this is just an educational purpose. You can go back to the system and pay attention where is the half zone. I just don't like to use them, and I'm gonna stick to that. So if you are want to put it back in there and you don't know how to read this, that's your decision. But let me go ahead and give you the analysis for this week, right? So remember, this is for the week of 6th to the 10th of July 2020. So this is me. Pay attention, first of all. Pay attention to the pair that I'm trading here. I'm trading AUD Canadian, right? It says here AUD Canadian as well. And I'm trading the 4 hours. So this is me, Team with Irvin. So I'm looking here. Simplicity is just, let me take this off. Let me delete this, because I grabbed the wrong tool and I need to select the right tool. So Simplicity is telling us the market is in a downtrend. I agree with that. So my analysis for AUD Canadian, this is it. So I'm expecting the market to come back and break our 23.6 Fibonacci line. And then from that point on, the market is going to do a small pullback, retest the mid 23 to our 0. And then from there, market will be bullish. So overall here, what I'm thinking the market is going to do, let me write it down. So overall here, what I'm expecting to see in AUD Canadian, guys, I'm expecting to see, to be honest, I'm looking for a long-term sell. That's what I think it's going to do, a long-term sell. If you do have otherwise a different opinion, let me know. But this is me. If you do have a different analysis, let me know and compare it with my analysis. Come back on Wednesday. Remember, we are coming back on Wednesday at 6 p.m. Eastern time, where we're gonna reanalyze this pair so you guys can ask me questions and so on and so on. Okay, so I want you guys to hopefully all this makes sense. If you guys have any question, my private Telegram is below. Go ahead and send me a message. I can help you out, wrestle whatever pair you want me to do. So like that you can learn. All right. So if also for all our newbies, if you are watching us for the first time and you want to grab a copy of our triple arrow system, our simplicity system, the link is on the description of this video. All right, so take a look at it. We are gonna be giving you $20 cash back. Anyway, the price is very low, but we are gonna give you those $20 cash back. All right, so let's go ahead and move on with the next pair here, so we can keep this day short, because I'm assuming you want to go and buy some fireworks for tonight, right? All right, so let's go and move on to our next pair here. We are gonna be analyzing Gbpusd. So basically, the simplicity is telling us the market is in a bullish market, which, I mean, so far is doing that. But my opinion, guys, is the following. I believe that this is a pullback right here. It's just giving us a pullback simplicity. In my opinion, you need to be careful. Be careful, be careful. If you don't have rules, don't trade without rules. Go back to the tutorial. Pay attention, but this is the way how I trade. We are gonna come back on Wednesday at 6 p.m. when we're gonna reanalyze this pair, and hopefully this makes sense. If it doesn't make any sense, send me a message. I can wrestle this with you alone. But what I'm expecting to see on this particular pair here, I'm expecting the market to still drop more because it's not ready to continue as bullish. From that point, maybe I would say maybe 1 or 2 or 3 more candles. And from that particular area, yes, I'm looking from there. I'm looking for a buy position. This is correct, but you need more data before it goes up. So hopefully all this makes sense, because I mean, that's what it is, guys. So be careful. It's not ready yet. All right. We okay with that? And guys, I'm here live. So go ahead. One thing, guys, all I'm asking here, because I'm not asking you for anything, guys. All I'm asking here, if you find this value, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you think I need to improve my AA skill, or you want me to bring the hot zones, let me know. Let me know in the comment below. I really don't like to use them because, you know, I had rules and I practice Forex with my personal rules. So I mean, remember, I'm one of the coach from here from our Super Easy family, and also I do the IT work. If you have any issue with your MT4 or your simplicity, let us know. Send us a ticket and they're gonna reroute that ticket back to me. All right, so make sure you give us a thumbs up, so because if you like that, you're gonna help the algorithm of our YouTube. All right, so let's go ahead and do the next page here. We're gonna go ahead and do EURUSD. Pay attention. I had the HAPS on in this one. I think I have it on Go as well. Go is next. I just had it in there, to be honest. But again, look, I use the Fibonacci, guys. Fibonacci is my baby here. All right, let me know if you guys want to, if you want to get a copy of the Fibonacci as well. Comment below, and I'm gonna go ahead and give it to you. That's not a problem. But pay attention. Pay attention. What I love Fibonacci. I really care less what the Hapson is doing. I just trade with my rules, to be honest. Yes, I'm seeing here that has on EURUSD, the market is giving us a bearish market. But pay attention what our simplicity is telling us. Our simplicity is telling us the market is bearish, which I do agree with that. So what I'm seeing is for this week, for the week of July 6 to July 10, I'm expecting to see the market to continue and drop and retest your, I will grab the wrong tool, and retest your 38.2 Fibonacci line, right? So it's gonna retest that, and then the market is gonna do a small pullback, retesting our 23.6. From there, market will finally drop. That is me, guys. Remember, I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just another fellow trader looking to squeeze hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of what? Because I'm here live. What do you think I'm here for? Hundreds of what? Believe that. And poops, that's what it is. So from there, I'm looking to see a sell position in this one. All right. So hopefully this, guys, go back to your system, analyze it. Hopefully it makes sense. If this don't make sense, send us, let us know. We're here to help. but hopefully this makes sense. And I'm gonna go ahead and analyze the next pair, gold, and hopefully you are gonna find value on gold. And if not, like I say, you know, send us an email or let us know. If you are watching us for the first time and you want to grab our triple arrow system, the link is on the description of this video. We are gonna give you $20 cash back anyway, so take a look at it. All right, let's go to the next one, guys. And the next pair here is gonna be on AUDUSD, which is gold, right? So this is me. I put the HAPS on. I'm gonna remove the HAPS on my full week analysis, guys. The video that I'm gonna make tomorrow, Sunday. I'm gonna remove all the HAPS on because I mean it's sitting in here. I already know what the market is gonna do based on my rules, right? But remember, these are not signal. This is just for educational purpose. So what I'm expected to see on gold is I'm expecting the gold to drop. It's gonna drop and break our 23 and meet 38.2 Fibonacci line. From there, the market is gonna do a small reversal, retesting our 23.6, and then market will continue as bearish. So this is me. This is me doing that. But you know what? Even though, let me see if I can remove the. Let me bring this up in here. If I can remove the HAPS on, because to be honest, guys, I really don't use the HAPS on. So let me go ahead and take this off because I don't like them. I got my rules. If you don't have rules, I feel sorry for you too. Really, I really do feel sorry for you if you don't have it. But I mean, this is just me. All right, so hopefully all this makes sense. So now, let me check something real quick, guys. Let me check something real quick. Maybe I'm gonna change just a different setting. Hold on, let me see. Yep, I removed that, and boom, I took it off. I just discovered something new that I'm gonna bring it up in the next session. So hopefully you guys can see it. So look, I just removed the HAPS on. Less noise on my chart. I don't want to know. I already know what the market is about to do here. I'm looking at what my Fibonacci is doing. My Fibonacci is retesting my secret area here. So I'm just trading strictly with our Fibonacci. So this is it. This is what gold is gonna do for this week. All right. So I'm getting ready to drop the next pair for tomorrow, guys. If you pay attention here, I had Euro GBP. Euro Canadian, USD JPY, USD Peso. This pair here, the USD Peso, guys, that pair is an amazing trade. In my opinion, take a look at it. That pair, it will make you tons and tons of dollars out of it. It's one of my favorite ones. And maybe one of these days, guys, I'm gonna give you my top 5 pairs that I trade. And believe it or not, USD Peso is one of them. And then I'll let you know the other rest. So I kind of like, most likely I'm gonna give you like a bad testing on how I'll be doing things on those. And the next pair that I'm gonna do is the NCD JPY. Let's do this because I'm here live, right? Go ahead and comment below and let me know if you want me to do an additional pair, and then I'm gonna give you a shout out when I make that video tomorrow. Okay, so go ahead and let me know, and when I record the full week analysis, I'm gonna shout out to you, and then so like that you can see it. All right, so but that's what I'm gonna be doing, guys. So hopefully you guys can get to see it. And I don't know what are you guys doing today, so make sure you don't drink and drive, all right, because police are enforcing our highway very strictly. So if you're gonna drink, stay home, relax, stay with your family, relax, and don't do some crazy stuff because police don't play around. All right, so here in the United States, the cops are doing the bad things when it comes to things. And remember, Black Lives Matters. All right, so what did I say? Black Lives Matters. That's right. All right, so okay, guys, so let's go. And so looking forward to see you guys tomorrow, Sunday. I don't know what time I'm gonna drop that video, but anyway, it's gonna be there. All right, thank you guys, appreciate it, and I'm looking forward to see you tomorrow. Bye bye.